Hello everyone, my name is MS.SHARMA. I am doing a certification course in yoga under the guidance of Nursing Ji Goyal. He is a superb teacher, I must say. He makes learning so easy and full of fun that we are thoroughly enjoying it. Each day is a new learning day, full of fun, full of exercises, lot of warm-up exercises, lot of asanas with different variations we are learning each day, and we are not feeling it stressful any point of the time. So I must recommend him to all the beginners and whosoever are interested in doing this yoga course. It's a superb learning, really a wonderful experience for me, and I want to continue this journey and journey of learning through him. So thank you Nursing Ji for being with us and teaching us in a fun and easy way. Superb. Thank you.